video we will take a look into some of the basics Linux command that we use in day-to-day life. So the first command is the ls command, which is used to list directories. So I have a lot of files and directories over here. Control plus L to clear the screen. Okay. Next we have the what do we have? We have cd command to what do you call this, to move into different types of directories. Okay, so this is the forward slash is represented as the root of the directory. We can go to var folder, and within var we can go to log, and if we hit enter we will move to this is my home directory. This $sign signifies my home directory, and now we can move from home directory to var log. Okay, now let's see what are the files and folders are there in this directory. So we use ls for that and hit enter. So we have some files and folders over here. Okay, that was right. Now, so if I want to move back, we use cd dot dot to move one step back. So previously we were in var log. Now we have moved out of log into var. Now if we do ls, we should see log right over here. So basically previously we were inside the log and we were seeing all the files and folder inside the log. Now we have moved one step backward and we are now in var. Alright, so what do we do to move in this directory called crash? Simply we type cd change directory and the folder name. Now you can autocomplete by using the tab. So you can just write one or two words, and if you press tab it should autocomplete that file or folder's name. Okay, and hit enter. So now we are in crash folder, and just do ls to see if there is any crashes. So we don't have, luckily, that's fine. So this is how you see files in Ubuntu or in Linux environment, or move around using the cd command. Okay. So that's all for today. I see you in the next video. Until next time, assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.